I always get asked, how do I get my hair so nice and defined? So today I'm going to show you guys what products I use to get my hair nice and juicy and defined. So I'm starting off with already washed and damped hair, so I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair in 2 sections. Now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to go in and saturate my hair with more water. And I'm going to follow up with my Tgin buttercream. I love this stuff because it's not too light and it's not too heavy on my hair. And it also keeps my hair moisturized and defined throughout the week. I don't use a heavy amount of this product in my hair. I go in with a small amount so that way in the end when I blow dry my hair, I can still get that big fluffy look, but it's still defined. When applying the product, I like to smooth it down and then rake it through my hair. And you will see later on that I like to scrunch up to clump my curls together and give it that definition. Next, I like to go in with my Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. I like to use this leave-in because my hair is blonde, so it gives it that extra protection and it keeps my hair nice and hydrated throughout the week. So same process, I'll go ahead and smooth and rake that product throughout my hair and scrunch up to clump those curls together. So I'm going to complete this process on both sides of my hair, and I'm going to come back with the next step. Lastly, I'm going in with this Jamaican black castor oil. It locks in that moisture and it keeps my hair soft and shiny. So this is what my hair looks like when it's blow dried. My hair is soft, fluffy, and defined. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.